Hello, my name is Beanie and I am a chiropractic assistant at Ravenswood Chiropractic and Wellness Center. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple jaw stretches to help you recover from TMJD. So the name of this first stretch is the Cervical Anchor. It's meant to help increase the mobility in your neck. So what you want to do first is grab onto a chair, making sure that your shoulder does not come up when you do the stretch. The other hand comes around the side of your head, and you're going to pull ear to shoulder. You're going to hold this position for 10 seconds. Then you'll turn slightly towards your armpit for another 10 seconds, and then all the way again for another 10 seconds, for a total of 30 seconds. Then you'll just switch sides, grab the chair with the other hand, and then use your other hand to grab the side of your head. Pull ear to shoulder, 10 seconds here, 10 seconds here, and then another 10 seconds. The PRI stretch, or the post-isometric relaxation stretch, will help reduce overcontraction of the jaw muscles. First, clench your jaw for a few seconds, then relax by slowly opening your mouth. Grab your chin, then slowly open your jaw as wide as possible without pain and hold open for about 3 seconds. And then close your mouth and hold that for 3 seconds. Repeat 2 more times. Lastly, move your jaw to the left and right. Press your hand on the left side of your jaw. Slowly move your jaw to the left as far as possible without pain and hold for 3 seconds. Then relax your jaw for 3 seconds. Then repeat that same thing on the right side. Repeat that for 2 more times. So this next stretch is called the Brugger. It is a postural activation exercise as well as helping to strengthen the upper back and neck. So what you want to do is have your palms up, and then you're going to turn the band in and out so the palms are back up. Bring your arms down, pull back on the band, and then tuck your chin back as well. You want to make sure that your chin is back and not downward. You're going to hold this position for 8 seconds and then relax. If you don't have a band, you could definitely do it without one. It's just simply doing the same motion. Pull back with your hands and then tuck your chin back as well. 8-second hold and then relax. This can also be done seated if you cannot find a place to stand. This next stretch is called the Doorway Pec Stretch. You're going to place your arm in a doorway or on a wall at a 90-degree angle like this. You're going to make sure that your foot lines up with the wall or the doorway. You're going to step forward with the opposite side. Kind of stick your chest out to get a good stretch in your pec muscle. Hold it for 30 seconds and then switch arms.